Welcome to my class. In this particular video lecture, we will talk about data transmission speed. Data transmission speed. In order to understand the meaning of data transmission speed, we need to know two terms like what is bandwidth and the second one is baud. If we know these two terms, only then we can understand the meaning of data transmission speed. First of all, we will try to understand the meaning of bandwidth. The data handling capacity of a channel wire is termed as bandwidth. How much data a wire can carry, that is termed as bandwidth. So we call it the data handling capacity of a wire is termed as bandwidth. In other words, how much data a particular channel can carry. Therefore, bandwidth is the range of frequencies that is available for transmission of data from one point to another. So bandwidth is nothing, it's a range of frequencies which are available for transmission purpose. This is fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable has more data carrying capacity in comparison with coaxial cable or twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable can carry less amount of data. Coaxial cable can carry more amount of data, but the highest amount of data can be taken by fiber optical cables. Bandwidth example. Consider a narrow range of frequencies in a communication channel as similar to a narrow road in a city. The flow of information on such a channel, that is its data transfer rate, is limited, just as is the flow of traffic on a narrow road. Look at this particular example. On this particular road, only one car can move. There is no space for the other car to come from the other direction. So this lane is a narrow one and it can accommodate less amount of traffic. On the other hand, wider bandwidth allows rapid flow of information. Thus, the wider the bandwidth of a communication system, the more data it can transmit from one point to another at a given period of time. Here you can see that number of vehicles can flow in both the directions because the lanes are bigger one. Had it been a narrow lane, then it could not have accommodated so much of traffic. So a wider bandwidth, it allows the transmission of a higher amount of data to be transmitted from one place to another place. Bandwidth, wider bandwidth, it provides two benefits: rapid flow of information, and the second one is more data can be transmitted at the same time. The second term is baud. We can define baud as, in communication, the data transfer rate of a channel is measured in a unit called baud. For example, in general uses, the term baud is similar to bits per second. A data transfer rate of 300 bauds can be referred to as 300 bits per second. It means 300 bits per second it can be transmitted from one place to another place at one particular point of time. The rate at which this data can be textual data, audio data, video data, graphic data, or animation. The rate at which data is transmitted is measured in BPS, bits per seconds. In early days of data communication, this measurement was expressed as bits per second (bps), but today's data communication are measured in Mbps, megabits per second, and Gbps, that is gigabits per second. Depending on their transmission speed, all communication channels are grouped into three basic classes. First one, that is narrowband channel. The second one, voice band channel. The third one, broadband channel. Narrowband channel. What is the meaning of this narrowband channel? Narrowband channels are also termed as sub-voice grade channels. They can carry less amount of data. Their range of speed varies from 45 to 300 baud. They are mainly used for handling low data volume applications, and they are adequate for low speed devices. Narrowband channels are used mainly for telegraph lines. Second one is voice band channel. Voice band channels handle moderate quantity of data, and they can transmit data at speed up to 9600 baud. Example, voice band channels are so called because their major application is for transmission of ordinary telephone voice communication. So in the case of telephone voice communication, we are using voice band channel. The third one is broadband channel. Broadband channels are also referred as wideband channels. They are used to transmit large volumes of data at high speed. These channels provide data transmission rate of 1 million baud or more. A user may use broadband channel for downloading from or uploading digital contents to a web server. If we are downloading from web server, or if we are uploading some digital content to a web server, then we may use broadband channel. Nowadays we find that these broadband channels are used by all internet service providers. Thank you very much.